In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bleep swears in CapCut PC. If you need to censor profanity or sensitive dialogue and make your video more family-friendly, this is one of the easiest ways to do it. The goal here is simple. First, isolate the exact word in the audio, then mute it, and finally replace it with a classic censor sound so the edit feels clean and intentional. Start by finding the swear word on your timeline and isolating it as its own small audio clip. To make this easier, zoom in closely on the audio waveform so you can clearly see the sound peaks. This helps you be much more precise, especially if the word happens quickly. Once you've located the beginning of the word, place your playhead right before it starts and press Ctrl+B to split the clip. Then move the playhead to the point where the word ends and press Ctrl+B again. At this point, the word should now be separated into its own short audio section. Taking a moment to cut as accurately as possible will make the final censor sound much tighter and more professional. Next, mute the profanity. Click on that small cut audio block so it's highlighted. Then go to the top right Properties panel, open the audio section, and under Basic, drag the volume slider all the way down to -infinity decibels. That completely silences the selected word. This is important because you don't want any of the original audio leaking through underneath the censor tone. Now it's time to add the bleep sound. Click the Audio tab in the top left menu bar and choose Sound Effects. In the search bar, type bleep. Once you find a censor tone you like, drag it down onto the audio track directly underneath the muted gap. After that, trim the beginning and end of the bleep clip so it matches the exact length of the missing word. Matching the duration closely helps the censor feel natural and keeps the timing of the sentence intact. When everything is lined up, press the spacebar to preview the result. Listen carefully to make sure the bleep starts right as the word begins and ends cleanly when the word would have finished. If needed, make tiny adjustments to the trim for a smoother result. And that's it. You've successfully censored a swear word in CapCut PC using a quick, simple method that looks and sounds polished.